Namaste student, myself Jevin Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Basic Enzymology and today's session is Mechanism of Enzyme Action and Acid-Base Catalysis. So first of all, we will discuss what is catalysis. Catalysis is a process that increases the rate at which a reaction approaches equilibrium. Amino acid side chain that can donate or accept protons can participate in chemical reaction as acid-base catalysis. Then nucleophilic groups can catalyze reactions through the transient formation of covalent bond with the substrate. Then in metal ion catalysis, the unique electronic properties of the metal ion facilitate the reaction. Enzymes accelerate reaction by bringing reacting group together and orienting them for reaction. Then transition state stabilization can significantly lower the activation energy for a reaction. So what are the types of catalytic mechanism that enzymes employ have been classified as six types. First is acid-base catalysis, next covalent catalysis, then metal ion catalysis, then electrostate catalysis, then proximity and orientation effects, then preferential binding of the transition state complex. So first of all, what is acid-base catalysis? General acid catalysis, proton transfer from an acid lowers the free energy of the reaction's transition state. Its example is uncatalyzed keto-enol tautomerization reaction occurs quite slowly as a result of the high free energy of its carbonyl like transition state. Then a reaction may also be stimulated by general base catalysis if its rates is increased by proton abstraction by a base. In some reaction may be stimulously subject to both processes. These are concentrated acid-base catalyzed reaction. Then its example is mutration of glucose. Then second is converted, it is acid. Many type of biochemical reaction are susceptible to acid-base catalysis. So next one is covalent catalysis or usually requirement of nucleophile. In this covalent catalysis accelerate reaction rate through the transient formation of acid substrate covalent bond, and usually nucleophilic group on enzyme attack and electrophilic group on the substrate, that is nucleophilic catalysis, and its example is decarboxylation of acetoacetate. So what are the stages of covalent catalysis? In this nucleophilic attack of the enzyme on substrate, then withdrawal of electrons from the reaction center by the by the now electrophilic catalyst, then elimination of catalyst by reversion of first step. What are the important aspect of covalent catalysis? It is highly nucleophilic and it have the ability to form a good leaving group. Then what is metal ion catalysis base catalysis? Third one is there are two classes of metal ion requiring enzyme that are distinguished by the strength of their ion protein interaction. All known enzyme are require the presence of metal ions for catalytic activity. First one is metalloenzymes contain tightly bound metal ion. Then metal activated enzymes, which is loosely bind metal ions from solution, usually the alkali and alkaline earth metal ion. Then fourth one is our electrostatic catalysis. In this concept not always listed separately because it's involved in many other aspects of catalytic mechanism. Its some example is providing lower dielectric constant of environment in active site, then altering pK values of specific functional groups and stabilizing a particular conformation of critical group in active site by electrostatic interaction, then stabilizing a charge intermediate or transition state by providing an oppositively charged enzyme group nearby. Then fifth one is catalysis can occur through proximity and orientation effects. In this, enzymes are much more efficient catalyst than organic model compounds. Due to proximity and orientation effects, reactants come together with proper spatial relationship. Its example is bimolecular reaction of imidazole with p-nitrophenyl acetate. Then next one is enzyme catalyze reaction by preferentially binding the transition state. In this, an enzyme may bind the transition state of the reaction with greater affinity than its substrate or products. This, together with the previously discussed factor, accounts for the high rate of the catalysis. For example, if enzyme binds the transition state with 3.2 kilojoule per mole is equal to 2 hydrogen bonds, it results in 10-fold rate enhancement. So this is all about the uh, mechanism of enzyme action and all about the catalysis and catalysis types. Hope you like this video, and if this video is generated by JBW digital version 2.0, and if you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. I will resolve it.